friends, in this video we are going to discuss how you can inject custom JavaScript and custom HTML or CSS in your system so that your website you can further enhance it. Remember that these things are for advanced developers or who know what they're doing, so make sure you know what you're doing so that you can actually proceed with this. So let's say when I go back to my website that we had created, and let's say for example we want to change the width of this right arrows, and or basically change any of these things which are custom built but we want to tweak it further. What you can do is you can use CSS for this. And let's say I've created the CSS and I've seen that by putting in this CSS in my system, I'll be able to actually change the way this system looks out here. What I can do is I can go into my dashboard, go into settings, go into SEO, and out here you can basically inject the CSS which we had created out here, and you can inject the CSS in the head. Now as developers, you know that by doing that what will happen is when the page is rendered, this thing will change and it will become smaller. So what I'm going to do is copy it from here and I'm going to paste it here and save that. I'm going to go back to my site, and when I refresh, I'll be able to see that the width of these arrows have decreased. So this is how easy it is to basically change any of the system or any of the way things look out here using custom CSS. Similarly, just like custom CSS, what you can do is you can come in and inject custom JavaScript out here as well, or inject HTML in the body as well. So by doing that, what you're basically doing is you're changing the way your website behaves, and this is exactly for advanced developers. So make sure you know what you're doing before you get into this. Thank you.